I want to show you a detailed tour on this property in Midstream Heights Estate for 7.2 direct from a developer. You're only going to pay your bond and attorney fees on top. It is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 garages, staff accommodation, open plan, modern, with lots of lights. You know what makes this property so special? It's located in a cul-de-sac. You're located onto this park. You got no neighbors on your one side. So this is private, it's quiet, and anything you're looking for 7.2 million direct from a developer. You'll only pay your bond and attorney fees on top. Extras in this property. Got aircon, new kitchen, open, and ideally to entertain. It's onto your living areas, lots of strip lights. The ideal showcase, put some nice stuff in here, maybe like nice wine bottles, nice liqueur bottles, or nice glasses, anything you can think of, with strip lights from the top to the bottom, and another cupboard on this side that you can utilize, groceries, whatever you want to do, space is there. Let me show you the skylight. Built-in microwave, smack, quality. Also have a gas, smack, plus electrical oven, extractor, lots of working space, clean, clinical look and feel, with natural light coming in, and all your nice pedals. Got space here for a double door fridge, plus a water connection point for enough space for a double door. So ideally you can just come plug in your fridge and it will work. A walk-in pantry with a door that can close off, and then your scullery area, 1, 2, 3 appliances, and then also these nice zincs that also came in black. On the outside, I also have a staff accommodation, plus a bathroom, decent size, and your gas bottles, everything is on this side. As you can see from here, your entertainment area, you can utilize this for your family room, and ideally out onto the pool, your boma, dry area on the outside. Beautiful pool. Ideally for this warm summer that's on the way. On that side you've got your boma with a bit of a pergola and a nice space in the garden. I can show you on this side. Ideally on a corner stand, there's no neighbours on the front. So it's very private, and then also got irrigation, trees that is already in, and then from here we can go straight into the patio area. You even got space for your TV point, a small bar fridge, the built-in dry, and another prep bowl on the side. All these doors is double sliders. It's sliding backwards, so you've got lots of open space. Bedroom number 4 on the side. Basically it's ensuite, 4-bedroom ensuite. So this one you can utilize also as the guest toilet. Shower, basin, and built-in Fibre toilets, floating vanities, frameless showers. Quality finishes. Guest room, bedroom number 4, also going out onto the garden with your built-in cupboards, nice laminated floors, a bit higher ceilings, and ample natural light also coming in. So your patio, built-in dry area on this side, and your living area on this side, your kitchen there. You also then have your storage space that goes underneath the staircase. Let me show you upstairs the rest of the property. Let me show you the main bedroom, the important part of this property. Beautiful open space, TV points, space for your bed, plus electrical points, aircon, and your windows facing north, with a small balcony that makes it ideal for this warm, natural summer nights. You just want to open your door and feel that there's nice fresh air coming in. This side, you'll notice there's no cupboards here. All the cupboards are on this side. Special dresser with lots of natural light, shoe racks, drawers, hanging space, and a makeup station. All in one. Anything you can think of. Nice strip lights. Beautiful. Nice freestanding bath. And showers, and space for your small bottles, and with this special subway tiles that just warm up this area. And you've got a big shower, double shower, and also nice and tiled to the top, separate toilet, and then also your his and hers basins with a floating vanity. Then the rest of the bedrooms is a bit separate. First bedroom on this side, ensuite. Basically a mirror from downstairs, shower, basin and toilet. Exactly the same size. Natural light also coming in, facing north. And the one next door, basically also a mirror, bedroom number 4. Also with a shower, basin and toilet, facing north. Natural light coming in, lots of cupboards and enough space. And this is the full property, a nice detailed tour.